welcome back to my art channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and today we are going to paint another scenery painting using acrylic paints. This painting is going to be really beautiful, so let's move forward towards our painting and watch my nails. These are really looking cool. I have already fixed my canvas on the table and going to take colors out on my palette. These shades are purple, crimson, vermilion, cadmium yellow, light green, sap green, cobalt blue, white and black. And now using all these brushes, let's start painting. I am starting from the sky using flat brush. I am going to paint cobalt blue and white in the sky along with the purple shade on the lower portion of the sky. I have divided my canvas into two parts. One is for the sky portion and other is for the lake, as you can see. Now let's paint some clouds in the sky using white paint first, and then I am planning to paint many colorful clouds. So for colorful clouds, I am starting with the mix-up of crimson and white, which is providing me some pinkish kind of tone, and then I am going to use red and yellow to paint bright clouds. Basically, I am painting yellow and then red, which is providing me some kind of orange kind of tone, so it's looking pretty cool. We also need to paint reflection of sky in the water, so I am painting same shades in the water body. You know what is the good part of acrylics? You can paint a lot of layers of paint to get good result. Here I am painting a lot of layers of many shades to get good result and to paint the realistic clouds. I am painting layers of white and of some other shades to paint realistic clouds here. This is the best part of acrylics, that you can paint until you get the desired result. Now I am moving forward to paint hills using dark blue and black paint. These hills are kind of volcanic hills, like very small hills, which are having some kind of flat top, which is like volcanic top. After painting hills, I am going to paint mix-up of sap green and blue along with a little bit of black paint on the portions where I am supposed to paint some flowers later. I am also going to leave some grey path in the center of these two flower gardens. Now I am leaving all these things for drying for some time, and I am moving forward to add details in the volcanic hills, and also I am going to provide details to the water body. I am going to use white and black paint to provide details in the hills, and going to use all the shades that are in the sky to provide details to the water body. To paint waves in the lake, we need to paint unidirectional brush strokes, as I am doing in the painting. Now let's paint the stairs using black and white shades only, which are giving beautiful grey paint after getting mixed. So I am going to apply few layers of paint on these stairs using same shades. Now let's provide more details to the hills using mix-up of crimson, white and magenta shades, and I am using flat brush for this. Now let's paint small wooden track using black, white and brown shade. Here let me tell you that brown shade is mix-up of red and sap green. So mix these two shades to get beautiful brown shade. Now let's start painting leaves and grass using light green and yellow paint. For this I am going to use dry brush without using much water. I am going to apply touches of paint directly to paint the leaves. We need to take care that we have to apply dark shades first and then light shades on the top of these, as I am doing in this painting. I am using various shades like sap green directly and yellow directly sometimes, and a little bit of white in yellow, or sometimes light yellow. So I am taking all these shades to get good result in painting the leaves. Now let's paint flowers. So using small brush, I am going to paint flowers using white and crimson shade. Before applying white and crimson shades, I am applying magenta as the base shade to provide better look to my flowers. For this, I am using a very small brush and applying direct touches on the canvas to paint all these. This process is time taking, but this process is really amazing. You know, in some kind of paintings, blending is key, but in this painting, I think blending is not the highlight. In this painting, the touches of brushes, the strokes, everything is going to add on collectively to the final result. All the colors collectively going to provide you a very beautiful scenery, and all the brush strokes are going to be visible, but in a very efficient and good manner. So this painting is kind of different painting, and it's really amazing and easy painting. Okay, I am almost done with the flowers, so let's add few details like grass on the stairs, and some details in the clouds, and some details in the flowers, and some grass in between the flowers, and a little bit more details. After adding the details, I think this painting is going to be ready. And the final step, I am going to remove the tapes to reveal the final result, and I hope this is going to be really beautiful. So guys, my painting is now ready. Have a close-up look, and I hope you like it. If you like it, then press the like button, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. And to meet me in my next video, you have to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for all my new videos first. I'll meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, you are amazing, and thank you so much for watching all my videos. Bye.